Hi, my name is Logan, and I want to talk about 4K television, and I also wanted to talk about my Google Glass Explorer Edition number 16, the software update. So first off, with 4K television, when they say 4K, I have some doubts about the 4K. So the 4K resolution is actually 3840 by 2160. But traditionally, for the last couple of times or years, we have been using like 1080p, the second number, like the Y value of the resolution. But this time, they're using the X value for the naming. So if you were to name the regular standard definition, not regular, HD, full HD, like the 920 by 1080, then you could technically call it 2K television. So I think if you properly name it using the same naming scheme, the 4K television is actually just 2160p. So 1080 versus 2000 doesn't seem to be that great of a leap. So marketing, they could use it as 4K, it's 4 times the resolution. But yeah, I don't think that's the proper way to market a 4K television. They should use more equivalent ways of marketing using naming 4K. And if you actually want like 4 times the actual value of 1080, that would be the closest to 8K television, or 7680 by 4320. So that's actually like 4 times the resolution of Full HD, or the Y value, 4 times the Y value. So I think that is a bit more equivalent in terms of properly naming things. And now actually I want to talk about the Google Glass Explorer Edition number 16. So a couple days ago, they updated the software for the Google Glass to the KitKat. And of course, they emphasize that they're upgrading to KitKat, so that's like a great success. But they also removed the interesting marketed feature, which was video calling, which I found really, really strange that they did. So if you ever follow up on the Google Glass news, when they first came out, you saw Google did a demonstration of skydivers jumping out of an airplane, and Google hangouting while they were skydiving down to the Moscone Center. So it's kind of strange to see why Google removed the video calling feature from the Google Glass. So that was my take. And also with the new version 16, Explorer Edition Software 16, I feel like Glass is actually running a bit slower. Probably because it's only a dual core and there's only, I forgot how much RAM there is, but yeah, it gets limited, so it's struggling with the KitKat operating system. Kind of like when I first had my Nexus S phone and they upgraded to Jelly Bean, the phone was struggling with Jelly Bean. It was originally Gingerbread. So yeah, the hardware is not catching up to the software, so that when there's new software, the software are usually demanding more and more resources, and the hardware wasn't made for that time, or the current time that they have developed it for. So let me know what you think about the Google Glass or the 4K television resolution. You can leave a comment below or not. Either one's fine. So thanks for watching.